just an eco. Put it in sport. You hear that turbo spooling? Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. Back with another video. This is an update on my 2015 S550 and like everything I've done to it. This is how it's looking like right now. We got the windshield tinted. We put on these rims. It's lowered. The side windows are tinted. And I lowered it using lowering links. This is what my interior looks like. I also added the Starlights. I did that myself. I made a full video on how to do that. And I also straight piped the car. I did not update you guys on that. I lowered it myself and made a full video, and I put on these rims. I also tinted it myself. I also added this gap cam, or this 360 camera. It's pretty sick. Right now it's recording, but I can pause it. This is how it looks like. And you can get like a view from all around. This is how the car looks like right now. I've had it for a little bit less than a year. I got it completely stock, and I just did some cosmetic changes to it. I also had a 2006 CLS. I missed that car, but I had to sell it to get this car right here. But yeah, like I was saying, this is how the car looks right now. All blacked out, except for the window trim. I like how that chrome matches with my rims. And the Starlights, they weren't hard to do, just a little bit time consuming. But it was better than paying the shop like over $1,000, bro. The windshield's pretty dark. You can't see inside. The doors are open and we're like parked underneath that light source. So it's pretty hard to see inside. But when you go sit inside, you can see clearly out of it. Or somewhat clearly. That's what the outside looks like. That's what the inside looks like. But this is the inside look. All these lights are on because the car is in accessory mode. It's not on right now. This is what the different lights look like. And in the Starlights, it has a remote, and you can select whatever color you want. You got that guy skating over there. That's what the key looks like. And then check out my TikTok. It's W222Merc, so same as my YouTube name, for more videos, like daily uploads type of stuff, and then like POV videos from the 360 camera. That's usually where I post those videos. The back ones are on. This is how it looks. Kind of dirty inside, ignore that. I gotta wash the car and vacuum it. Okay, that's how it looks like. Let me know what else I should do to it. I don't want to tune it or anything, just because I got a shit ton of miles on this car, so I don't want to mess with the reliability. Also, if anybody wants to buy it potentially in the future, hit me up. Text me on Instagram or something. I might sell it soon. Actually, not soon, but like whenever, so I can get like a different car maybe later. But for right now, this has been my dream car, and it's been really good. Oh, also, one of the things that broke on this car is the turbo cooling lines. And then because of that, I had to replace my thermostat. Now, I did the job myself for the most part, except when I had to get my cooling system pressurized. I had a mobile mechanic come out and do that. So you see that turbo cooling line right there? That little angled one? That one broke, and then another one underneath it broke. So I got all new turbo cooling lines, and then that silver thing right there. And then also the thermostat, new thermostat in there. And then this broke a while ago too, this upper coolant hose. That broke, so we replaced that. That's old coolant, it's dried up. But other than that, the car's been really good, minus those common issues. But I'm not too worried about that. Let's start it up so you guys can hear the straight pipe. Okay. TPMS light is flashing because I have aftermarket rims, and they didn't come with TPMS sensors. That's how it sounds like. Oh, that's an Eco. Let's put it in sport. That shit sounds pretty good. You hear that turbo spooling? Let me know what else you guys want to see. Maybe POV driving videos like this. I feel like that'll be pretty sick. But just comment down below.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.